case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a curious case that tested the limits of an insurance policy, the Supreme Court of Texas affirmed the Court of Appeals decision involving State Farm Fire and Casualty Company and an insured client over a claim of genital herpes transmission. While the case is named State Farm Fire and Casualty Company VSS, it centered on the issue around GW, whose genital herpes was claimed to be transmitted to SS, and whether he intended that to happen. GW, who was a policyholder at State Farm, found himself embroiled in a legal dispute after his sexual partner, SS, alleged that he transmitted genital herpes to her. When SS sued GW for compensation, GW sought help from his insurance company, State Farm. The company, while providing defensive counsel for GW, however, questioned the legitimacy of SS's claim under GW's policy. Upon examining the claim, State Farm cited an intentional injury exclusion provision in their policy and pursued a declaratory judgment stating it had no obligation to pay. This was initially approved as the trial court granted the company's summary judgment motion. However, the case saw a turnaround at the Court of Appeals, which reversed the trial court's judgment. It pointed out that the evidence lacked conclusiveness in proving GW's intent to transmit the disease. The Supreme Court of Texas, after hearing the matter, agreed with the Court of Appeals and affirmed its decision. The Supreme Court emphasized that summary judgments should be acted on only if there are no disputes over material facts and eschewed any alternative grounds for summary judgment once a trial court has pronounced an alternate ruling. Thus, the case returned to the trial court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.